So this literary site is Teach Your Monster to Read. It's from the Usborne Foundation. Um, Basically, like it says it covers everything from letters and sounds to read full sentences. Um, it's 100% free for the computer version, and that's what I would be using this for, and I have been using this for in my classroom. I again, like I said in my other video for Starfall, I have a bunch of ESL students in my class who I teach fifth grade, and they are below a level A reading level because they are brand new to the country. And I also have a few ECE students in my classroom who just need that extra skill for reading. So the teacher has set up the accounts, and I set one up, and the student will just log in here, and then they sign in. So I'll show you that. So I've logged in, and this to me is just my son's account that I have um, to show as an example. Um, the student will just log in with their username and password, and this one is the first step, so it's just the beginning. So, and you have to have Flash, but it shows, um, it tells you first you're gonna make a monster, you're gonna make the body, you can pick its arms, the face, um, the head, the body, the legs, ears and horns. You can, yeah. Um, so this is my monster. I'm happy with him. He's good enough. Oh yes. So this is my monster that I'm gonna teach to read. Um, it's telling me right now he's waving, ready for an adventure. It says once upon a time, your monster zoom around this galaxy in a spaceship. He wants to explore new worlds. He's imagining all the things he can find there. Then one day a terrible storm hit, and my monster spaceship spun out of control and crashed on a mysterious island. What a big crash, it says. My monster looked in his repair book and didn't know how to read. So what can he do? So then he saw the Island King. The Island King was just talking to him about what he's found and what he's lost in that storm. He said he can help the spaceship, but he needs some of his help. So we can pick what we want a prize. He's going to give us a prize if we help him find his letters. So the king wants us to find letters that make the sound. So it's teaching us sounds for sun. And it asks you to say it. So it's saying sheep. They're trying to find the letters that make the sounds. So like the sheep makes sound. So the monster's gonna go around and he's gonna play with the sheep and this, like I said, the sound. So this is a great website for kids to have fun and get to learn those letters and those sounds. And like this game right here, it says to put the sheeps with this sound. So I want them to go here, of course, because is the sound and is the sound. So you're just grabbing them and putting them over here, and I mean, this is good for not just these younger kids. But sometimes their older kids need these basic skills too to help them. Um, it's just something good and refreshing for um, any age. It's good for from kindergarten. Last year when I taught kindergarten, we used this and my kids loved it. And like I said, with my ESL kids, they actually really like it because they're learning those sounds, those basic sounds that they really need. And I also have some fifth graders who really like it because it's easy for them, so it gives them that confidence that they need when it comes to those bigger words. And sometimes they just forget some of the things they learned. I mean, from fifth grade, kindergarten to fifth grade, it's been a while. So to them, it's like, oh, I don't really remember how to sound out a word. Like, I don't remember what this letter sounds like. So this teaches them those. And there's different ways to do it too. I mean, and this is a great program. It's award winning. And it even says the kids love it. I mean, they do. And it talks about the computer versions, the free version. It talks a little bit about the Usborne Foundation and the different little islands that for the adventures of them reading. And there's the games it's showing you, and it teaches them like chunking and blending and segmenting words, because a lot of times, the English language, it's a hard language. It really is. I mean, we kind of have like a lazy language where words like asparagus used to be like asparagus, but we were just so tired and lazy, we just say it so fast. I mean, like you all, a lot of times, like I say y'all because it's just my dialect and saying it so fast. And there's a lot of words that it's hard to sound out for kids because they hear these sounds and then it may be, consonants that are silent. And this is a great tool to teach them, about that and hearing those things.